In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build Airtable KPI tracker using Claude AI. First, open Claude AI and start a new chat. This is where you will use a single prompt to generate the structure for your KPI tracker directly inside Airtable through the integration. In the chat, paste the prompt exactly as needed to create the tracker. Ask Claude to create a KPI tracker directly in your Airtable using the integration, and to build KPI dashboard and KPI history tables with KPI name, category, target, and actual values, progress calculation, status automation, owners, dates, and linked history tracking, all fully set up and ready to use. Once the prompt is submitted, give Claude a moment to generate and create the setup. The goal here is to have a complete Airtable base prepared for tracking key performance indicators without needing to manually build each field and relationship yourself. After that, open Airtable and go to your workspace. Look for the newly created KPI tracker base. This base should contain the tables and field structure requested in the prompt. Next, open the KPI dashboard table. Review the fields carefully and confirm that everything has been created correctly. You should see fields for KPI names, categories, target values, actual values, owners, and dates. Also check that the progress calculation formula is in place and that any status automation has been set up correctly. Then move to the KPI history table. Confirm that all expected fields are present there as well. This table should be ready to store historical KPI records so you can monitor changes over time. Once both tables are reviewed, verify the linking between them. Make sure the KPI dashboard and KPI history tables are properly connected so that current KPIs and their past records can work together in a clear and organized way. With the structure confirmed, begin adding your KPI data. Enter your KPI names and fill in the target and actual values, along with categories, owners, and any relevant dates. This will allow the tracker to start calculating progress and reflecting status based on the data you provide. From there, continue updating your KPI values on a regular basis. This helps you monitor performance over time and maintain an accurate view of progress across your dashboard and history records. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.